Okay, enough fussing around. I found a shortcut in Mac OS when you're opening Vectorworks Spotlight. Check this out. So normally I would go down to the application and just click, and then Vectorworks goes through its opening process, right? But what if I click and then I hold? Now I have the option to open recent Vectorworks files and not just a blank document. So now I'll try my most recent document, open that, and Vectorworks actually goes to work on opening a specific document. Okay, so use that shortcut in the dock down here by just basically holding down on that button. I could guess open another file if I wanted to. Awesome quick shortcut. If you're going straight to that link, can open a file, but we get no garbage like untitled file in Vectorworks Spotlight. So where we want to go is, looks like Vectorworks Spotlight is right there. Boom, there's the file that we intended to open, and if I go to Window, we notice we have no other documents open. Yep, Vectorworks started with just the file I specifically wanted and no untitled files. Awesome. Try it out if you're on Mac OS.